All of us are scared. I teach English, but English is not my mother tongue. English also is to me a strange language. So all of you need to think like I thought in order to improve. If I could improve, why can't you improve? It's not difficult. I'm also just like you who learnt English with a lot of difficulty. School doesn't matter. Telugu medium or convent school doesn't matter. What matters is motivation. Please remember, when I was studying English, English was not very important. It was just one more subject. 30 years back, English didn't have importance. The entire world is yours if you know English. If you don't know English, however excellent you are, you don't get as much success. Do all of you want to be successful? I'm sure there is nobody in the world who doesn't want to be a success. All of us want maximum success. And real success will come when you change your mindset. There is no student here who did not write an English exam in the 10th class. Did you have English in the 10th class? Then how can you say Telugu medium? English is there in 10th class. Is English there in 12th class, plus 2? English is there in graduation? Then how can you be Telugu medium still? Out of 10 years of Telugu, you are learning one language also, that is English. So, no excuse for other than English medium. Please don't think. We love our mother tongue maximum. The most important language in our life is our mother tongue. But at this moment, the mother tongue is not very useful in our professional life. In professional life, we need English. In personal life, we need Telugu. For the last 3 years, we are having the Impact program, and it has impacted many people. I'm sure you know what the word impact means. Just now we heard 8 to 10 young boys and girls telling us about the impact of impact. Impact is effect. Impact is influence. So is this program affecting you? Is it influencing you? So let us make the influence better by going into some English. The most difficult part of our life and our career today is English. Professor Vishwanatham, whom all of us respect as our senior, told you that he is also scared of English. All of us are scared. I teach English, but English is not my mother tongue. English also is to me a strange language. So all of you need to think like I thought in order to improve. If I could improve, why can't you improve? Is my English all right? Do you want your English to be like mine? It can easily be like mine. It's not difficult. I'm also just like you, who learnt English with a lot of difficulty. School doesn't matter. Telugu medium or convent school doesn't matter. What matters is motivation. Do you have motivation? All of you? Only few are saying yes. Very good. If you want to learn motivation, you have Gampa Nageshwar Rao. He is full of motivation. We invited him to the university many times, and everywhere he motivated the students. So please remember that first thing you have to ask yourself today. Now, at this moment, it is 2:20 on 8th of May. Do you want to learn English? That is up to you. Don't tell me. I don't want to know. You ask yourself, do you really want to learn English? Today, the learning of English is the difference between success and failure. Please remember, when I was studying English, English was not very important. It was just one more subject. 30 years back, English didn't have importance. Today, English is most important. You can impact the world by learning English. Not Gampa Nageshwar Rao Garu impacting you, but you impacting the world. The entire world is yours if you know English. If you don't know English, however excellent you are, you don't get as much success. Do all of you want to be successful? I'm sure there is nobody in the world who doesn't want to be a success. All of us want maximum success. And real success will come when you change your mindset. Sir, let me offer this to you. There is no student here who did not write an English exam in the 10th class. Did you have English in the 10th class? Then how can you say Telugu medium? English is there in 10th class. Is English there in 12th class, plus 2? English is there in graduation? Then how can you be Telugu medium still? Out of 10 years of Telugu, you are learning one language also, that is English. So, no excuse for other than English medium. Please don't think. When I came into the hall, I asked one participant, where is the hall? Where will I find Mr. Gampa Nageshwar Rao? When I spoke in English, I got the reply in Telugu. That has to change. After 4 days, impact will finish. But you have to keep the mindset of impact. Sir is giving you energy. You have to use that energy now when you finish. So I want each of you to start speaking in English today itself with each other. You have 1,500 people here. Did you speak to anybody here? Did you speak to some people? You might not have spoken to all 1,500, but at least speak to 100 people. That will be 100 sentences in English. Can you do that? Did you notice the participants who came here? They spoke beautifully. They spoke wonderfully. They spoke excellently. But they didn't speak English. They spoke, but they didn't speak English. Already we know Telugu, don't we? You don't need to learn again Telugu once more. It is your own mother tongue. You are excellent. Don't practice Telugu now. I'm not saying you should forget it. We love our mother tongue maximum. The most important language in our life is our mother tongue. But at this moment, in 2013, the mother tongue is not very useful in our professional life. In professional life, we need English. In personal life, we need Telugu. So don't forget Telugu and don't start speaking English at home. Don't do that. But outside the house, with your friends, with your colleagues, please speak English even if you make mistakes in English. Why we are not able to speak is because we have no practice. Can you begin the practice today? So from tomorrow when they come here, will they come? Gampa Nageshwar Garu? Tomorrow again they will come. No, what will all of you notice? Only English when you are holding this. If you speak wrong English, no problem. Please don't worry. Make 100 mistakes, make 1,000 mistakes. But please make some mistake. Please try to speak English. Can you do that? Unless you practice, you cannot learn. You know, in the last 2 years' impact, sir put them on YouTube. And every day I get minimum 1 or 2 emails. You can imagine 300, 400, 500 emails. And number of phone calls from all over the world saying, Please tell us how to learn English. Recently, somebody called from Brazil. I don't even know where Brazil is. I have to look at the world map. But phone call came, Madam, we saw you on YouTube. Now tell us how to improve. That desire to improve is the most important thing. All of you need to have. Now I will tell you how to improve. Till now I gave you an introduction to English. I told you how important English is. Now I'm going to tell you how to improve. Each day you have to do such a thing. Please remember that unless you practice this each day, you cannot improve. If you practice once a week or once a month, it is no improvement at all. You must do it every day. First is listening to English. Okay, still the hall remains in darkness. Anyway, I would like all of you to first ask yourself a question. The question is, when you listen to English, are you really listening to English? This is very, very important. All of you are doing one thing now. I'm speaking in English, you are translating it to understand. All of us do this, not only you. Everybody does this. When somebody speaks a language, we translate it into our mother tongue to understand. Please stop doing that from today. When you listen to English, please listen and understand only English, not a translated version of English. Will you try this? Second point, listening. When we listen to anything, we listen only for the meaning. We don't listen for language. When I'm talking to you, all of you are listening to the points which I'm making. How is English important? How to listen? You are able to understand the meaning, but meaning is not important for improvement. For improvement, what is important is language. What we require is language. When we listen for the first time, only meaning comes. When I'm speaking to you, only meaning becomes clear. So when you are practicing listening, please listen to the same passage again and again and again. Same passage, not different one. Some speech, you have so many speeches here. Listen to those speeches if they are in English again and again and again till it becomes a part of your memory. God has given us, a supercomputer. It is called the head-top computer, not desktop, not, laptop, but head-top. Free computer, you don't have to pay any money. It is there. How much space is inside? Endless GB. I can't count, not 30 GB, 50 GB. Endless GB space. In that space, there are many files which you can create for English. Now you start creating some files for English. English listening. You keep one file name, English listening. Listen every day and store it in your mind by listening again and again. These days we have so much technology. 10 years back we didn't have so much. Now you can record anything which you hear which is good. All of you have your cell phones. Record it, listen to it 10 times. Today when I go to my MA class, how high-tech Osmania has become. As soon as I enter my class, 20 phones are kept on the table. My lecture, they record. They go home and they listen. They listen 10 times and they write the exam. This is how high tech helps us to learn language. Whenever you listen to good English, record it in your cell phone. If you are recording songs, please record some English songs. The best way of learning a language is by learning rhythm. Keep by hearting. You know, many of you participate in Antakshari when you don't know Hindi. They sing, my students sing 500 Hindi songs from memory. They don't know Hindi. How did they learn? That is how English is learned. It is called as learning by imitation. Do you know what imitation means? To do what somebody else is doing. You know, suppose on the road, one fellow goes selling plantains, saying, Aratipanlu, what does the small child do? In the same voice, same tone, the small child repeats. Because the child is learning to speak. Now we should become like those children. We should imitate good English whenever we listen. So I gave you 2 points about listening. One is listening to good, correct English. The second is listening to the same passage again and again and again. This you have to do every day. Can you do that? Only few can do. Every day you have to listen. You know, now you have put up Swami Vivekananda 150 years. If you go to Ramakrishna Math, you'll get some CDs, you know, Vivekananda's speeches and all. You buy one CD, 20 rupees or 40 rupees. That is enough for 6 months. You don't have to buy anything else. That 1 hour CD, you listen only 5 minutes every day. But 5 minutes you listen for 10 times or 20 times, same 5 minutes, till that excellent English becomes a part of your memory. Language is learnt by imitation. So listening for meaning, that is language, not only for content, and listening repeatedly. These 2 things if you do, then your source of English is developing. You know why we cannot speak English? You know why these students who spoke so beautifully, I was clapping all the time they were speaking. Why could they speak so well but not in English? Only 2 reasons. One is they never practiced English. They practiced Telugu, so they are speaking beautiful Telugu. Their mind is full of ideas, they are putting it in Telugu. So we don't need ideas, we don't need meaning, we don't need subject, we need language. So listening will give you the language. The second thing that listening will give you is correctness. Today, we hear a lot of English which is not very good. Every week, I go for interviews, sir will know. You know, all colleges in the Twin Cities, they call us as experts to interview English lecturers. They are going to teach English in engineering colleges. I find that although they have wonderful marks, 70%, they can't speak fully correct English. They speak very stylish, very accented English. You hear it, you sound, oh, wonderful English, but they make mistakes. So when you listen, your correctness also becomes good. Because when your teachers taught you in the class, you could not make English correct. Now you have to change. So in the morning, as soon as you get up, just like you do puja and you do bathing and all, please do English. Can you do that? Listening every morning, you know. We start with Vishnu Sahasranam. Now, your Vishnu Sahasranam is English speech. What did Krishna say? That whatever you do, you must do efficiently. If you've come to Impact, then learn efficiently. Impact is going to make your life. It is going to make you successful. Therefore, no use sitting here for 12 days congratulating Gampa Nageshwar Rao and saying, oh sir, you are excellent. Then you go home, you forget Gampa Nageshwar Rao, you forget Impact, everything. Nothing, no impact comes. Don't be like that. Starting from 13th of May, you start 1 hour of practice. Listening to good English, listening repeatedly, and listening for improvement. When you listen, your English becomes better. This is called as a foundation skill. Foundation, if you want a big building, you need foundation. So for your communication, listening is the foundation. Now one more foundation is there, and that is reading. Are you not reading English all your life? Is there anybody who does not know A, B, C, D? All of you know the English alphabet? Yes or no? Then how is it that we don't read anything? Whenever you are asked, what do you see outside Harihar Kala Bhavan? Many posters are there. How many of you read those posters in 8 days? Whenever print comes, our eyes keep glossing over. We don't see. Don't be like that. Read everything which you find. Read everything which is English. But reading once is not enough. Read repeatedly. Again, I can give you example of Vivekananda. Have you read anything by Vivekananda? Everybody says, Madam, please give me a dictionary for learning vocabulary. You don't need dictionary. You read Life of Vivekananda. It is so beautifully written that you will learn vocabulary. You can pass your GRE, GMAT exam if you read that life. It is so beautifully written. 2 volumes called Life of Vivekananda by Eastern and Western disciples. Those 2 volumes, if you read, your English will become excellent. But read doesn't mean read for the exam. You know how you read for the exam? You learn it fully by heart. Indians are very intelligent, please remember. The whole world tells us Indians are intelligent. But the whole world also tells another thing, that Indians are very lazy. We know everything, but we don't practice anything. Now, when you read this passage, anything, any book, read it repeatedly. Read it again and again. 1 page you read, but read 10 times. First time for meaning. Second, third, fourth, fifth time only for language. How are the sentences used? How is the language used? This is what we require. Because simple mistakes in English will make you not successful. Either you should do it well or don't do it at all. Then you say, we will not work in English, we will only do in Telugu. Unfortunately, when I ask my students, okay, tell me in Telugu, how good is your Telugu? They say, Madam, we don't know Telugu also. We don't know good Telugu also. We don't know good English also. What do you know then? Minimum, Indians, they have capability of language. Minimum, you can learn excellently 5 to 6 languages. It seems that is the Indian capability. Are you Indians or not? Then you sang just now Vande Mataram. At the end you'll sing Janagana. Is it enough? It is not. Show the qualities of being Indian. We have so many capabilities. English is only one more capability. So either you learn, English very well, or you say, I will not work in any job which reads English. I will look for a job which needs only Telugu. But then your Telugu has to be very good. That also is in doubt these days. Therefore, what you need, what all of you require is listening and reading as foundation for your knowledge of English. But you have listened in your past, you have read in your past, that is not good enough. If you read and you listened, every day you read English, then why can't you speak English when somebody speaks to you or when you come onto the stage? The reason is because you are not thinking in English. So this is the third point I'm making. Now you please check up your minds also. start seeing whether you ever think in English. All of us try to think in the language we know best. Self-communication. You know, communication skills you have learned. So self-communication is English. No, it is Telugu. Madam, we can't think in English. Whenever you are thinking from today, try to translate your thoughts into English. This will also be a very good exercise. So listening every day, reading every day, listening many times, same passage, reading many times, same passage. Is that clear to everybody? What I'm saying, is it clear? It is loud, I can hear, in my ears I can hear. But loudness does not mean clarity. I can shout at the top of my voice in a language you don't know, you won't understand one word also. Therefore, your ability to understand English is excellent, but you feel nervous to speak. Is that right? You feel very comfortable listening to English, but you feel uncomfortable in speaking. Many are there. Last year's impact, they told me, they SMS,